Hey, are you sick and tired of being in a cycle of debt? Introducing The Millionaire's Secret to Financial Freedom, the vital manual for achieving financial independence. Join us as we explore the top secret tactics and highly spirited perspective of self-made millionaires. This video will help you understand the complexities of building wealth, from learning the fundamentals to generating various streams of income. So keep watching to discover the information that millionaires are unwilling to share. But before we proceed, don't forget to like our video, subscribe and hit the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. In a world filled with opportunities, it's not uncommon for individuals to seek the secrets of millionaires. After all, who wouldn't want to unlock the keys to financial abundance and live a life of prosperity and freedom? In this video, we'll explore the concept of millionaire secrets and introduce you to a valuable resource that can help you on your journey to the path to wealth. While there isn't a one-size-fits-all formula for becoming a millionaire, certain principles and habits are common among those who have achieved financial prosperity. Here are some key aspects to consider on your journey to wealth. Number 1. Financial education. Successful individuals understand the importance of financial literacy. They continuously educate themselves about money management, investments, and wealth-building strategies. Learning from reputable sources and seeking professional advice can be invaluable. Number 2. Goal setting. Setting clear financial goals is crucial. Millionaires often have well-defined objectives and a roadmap to achieve them. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying real estate, or starting a business, having specific goals gives direction to your efforts. Number 3. Investment. Wise investments are a cornerstone of wealth creation. Millionaires diversify their investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses. They understand the power of compound interest and long-term growth. Number 4. Hard work and persistence. Success rarely comes overnight. Millionaires work hard and are persistent in pursuing their goals. They understand that setbacks and failures are part of the journey and use them as opportunities to learn and improve. Number 5. Frugality. Many millionaires are surprisingly frugal. They prioritize saving and live within their means. This disciplined approach to spending allows them to accumulate wealth over time. Number 6. Giving back. Philanthropy is a widely observed and frequently practiced attribute that is commonly found among individuals who have achieved millionaire status. Giving back to the community and supporting charitable causes is not only a moral obligation but also a way to leave a positive legacy. The road to financial freedom. Attaining the status of a millionaire is a transformative voyage demanding unwavering dedication, stringent discipline, and unyielding pledge to continual learning throughout one's lifetime. If you are liking the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Here are some key principles to keep in mind on your path to financial freedom. Number 1. Financial education. Persistently involved in ongoing self-education concerning the intricacies of personal finance, the art of investing, and the strategies for cultivating wealth. Your most formidable asset, without a doubt, is the reservoir of knowledge you accumulate and nurture over time. Number 2. Goal setting. Establish well-defined financial objectives and meticulously craft a comprehensive strategy to realize them. Consistently monitor your advancements and adapt as necessary, ensuring you remain on the right course towards your financial goals. Number 3. Invest wisely. Learn about different investment options and choose those that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Number 4. Persistence. The journey toward amassing wealth frequently unfolds as a protracted and demanding endeavor. Maintain unwavering persistence and resilient determination when confronted with setbacks and obstacles along your path. Millionaire's Secret is just one of the many programs available to individuals seeking to improve their financial prospects. While it offers valuable resources and support, success ultimately depends on your commitment and actions. Always bear in mind that there are no foolproof shortcuts to achieving millionaire status. The true secret lies in your determination, financial education, and smart decision-making. Set clear goals, persist in the face of setbacks, and avoid shortcuts. Embrace the process, and you'll be well on your way to building the wealth you desire. If you want to stay updated with more insightful videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching today's video of The Millionaire's Secret to Financial Freedom.